How to turn off autoplay sound for Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off autoplay sound for Facebook videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you are inside the Facebook, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the gear icon, and after tapping on that you'll enter the settings section. From there you can simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled media. After that, simply scroll down and here you can see the option labeled videos start with a sound. Simply toggle off that option, and you can also tick on never autoplays videos under the autoplay, and after doing that you'll be able to turn off autoplay sound on your Facebook videos. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.